Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on DIY coat hooks. DIY coat hook ideas offer a creative and a practical approach to organizing spaces while adding a personalized touch to your home decor. From repurposing everyday items to crafting unique designs, DIY coat hooks present a range of inventive solutions for keeping coats, bags, and accessories tidy while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of entryways, mudrooms, or even bedrooms. One of the simplest yet effective DIY coat hook ideas involves repurposing materials readily available at home. For instance, reclaimed wood planks, old wooden pallets, or branches can be transformed into rustic and charming coat hooks. Sanding, painting, or staining the wood to match the decor and adding hooks or knobs creates a functional yet visually appealing storage solution. Another imaginative DIY idea involves using repurposed items like antique keys or metal hooks salvaged from old furniture. Mounting these items into a decorative board or directly into the wall creates a vintage-inspired coat hooks display, infusing the space with nostalgia and a touch of history. For those inclined toward modern and minimalist aesthetics, DIY pegboard coat racks offer a customizable and functional solution. Installing a pegboard onto the wall and adding pegs or hooks allows for easy rearrangement and organization of coat hooks, bags, and accessories. Painting the pegboard in a contrasting color or using wooden pegs on a white pegboard creates a sleek and contemporary look. Utilizing unconventional materials can also result in unique DIY coat hook designs. For example, repurposing old silverware or cutlery handles by attaching them to a wooden board or backing them with magnets can create quirky and functional hooks. This inventive approach not only adds a touch of whimsy, but also repurposes old items in an eco-friendly manner. DIY rope or leather strap coat hooks offer a rustic and charming alternative to traditional hooks. Knotting or braiding ropes or leather straps and attaching them to a wooden base or directly onto the wall, creates a visually appealing and tactile storage solution. These materials add texture and warmth while contributing to a cozy ambiance in entryways or mat rooms. Incorporating DIY coat hooks into furniture pieces can maximize functionality and space utilization. Creating a coat rack bench with hooks along the backrest or repurposing an old headboard by adding hooks provides multifunctional furniture that combines seating and storage. An additional DIY coat hook idea involves using repurposed or upcycled material, such as old faucets or plumbing fixtures, as hooks. Mounting these fixtures onto a wooden board or directly onto the wall offers an industrial or eclectic touch to the decor, while providing practical storage for coats and accessories. For a more artistic and visually striking approach, consider creating a DIY coat hook installation using various materials and techniques. This could involve arranging and mounting hooks in a pattern or design on a feature wall, incorporating different colors, shapes, or sizes to create a statement piece that doubles as functional storage. Maintaining DIY coat hooks generally requires occasional cleaning to ensure they remain both functional and visually appealing. Dusting or wiping with a damp cloth can help remove dirt or debris, while periodic checks to ensure that coat hooks remain securely attached to the wall or mounting surface. DIY coat hook ideas offers endless possibilities for creating a personalized and functional storage solution, while adding character and charm to interior spaces. Whether through repurposing everyday items, utilizing unconventional materials, or incorporating artistic designs, these DIY projects enable individuals to showcase their creativity, enhance organization, and elevate the aesthetic appeal of their homes. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when you upload a new video to the channel.